урановый твел пламенем синим горел. В радиоактивной крови бегут миллионы кюри. It's 1986. I can feel.
Yo, let me fucking ban stream elements before some bullshit comes up. Oh. Yo, is the music volume good? Should be good, right? Oh, hold on. Yo, boys and... Nah, there's no girls in here, what am I talking about? How y'all doing? Fucking bitch, stop. Okay, before we start, let me... No. Listen, I have actually something to... I got some content. Well, it's not content, but you know, fine, you guys don't watch the content or the gameplay anyways, but like... Oh, let me close fucking Nightbot before it opens up some bullshit. Long time no see. Yeah. Yeah. If you guys have been wondering like what I've been up to, nothing. I've been sitting here jacking off like usual. I've just just been ditching because I'm a fucking. Let me get this shit started. I've been a lazy motherfucking stinker. I'm sorry. But we all gotta stink ourselves up every now and then, you know. I fucking love him. That's disgusting. Why would you do that to yourself? Give me something good. Come on. Yeah. What's that smell? What's that smell? Why does it smell like... No, seriously, why does it smell like diarrhea in here? What the fuck? Hold on. Is it my chair? Okay, it's not my chair. No. Thank fuck. Okay, I don't stink. I don't stink. Shut. I don't fucking stink. Give me a good... Okay, that'll have to do. So, my old keyboard broke. You know, not that you guys care, but I got a new keyboard. It might be louder than my first one. Is this loud? Is that loud? Okay, let me play some music lens. No. We need some... Let's get them going here. Okay, let me open up the song requests and see what we have. Okay, the queue is empty. Alright, let me just begin beforehand. Hello? Oh yeah, it switches fucking missions. Some stinker is hosting me, what the fuck? Oh, Streamlabs. Recent events. Hey Daniel, what's up? Larry TrashSM1 has followed a minute now. You hosted me with one viewer. What? Yo, thank you. That's probably yourself, isn't it? Yo, thank you so much for the one viewer. Huge host. I got no content. What do you guys want from me? I'm waiting for this thing to spawn. Okay, I'm gonna fucking leave. Mumsel kills some. Flying to the moon has followed. How long are you? Hope you're doing fine, friend. Okay, I'm just gonna ban you before you fucking... See ya. No, I'm too paranoid and I don't give a fuck. Suck my one less viewer ain't gonna fucking mean shit when you have no viewers. Let me check my fucking viewer list. Update. Update. My viewer list ain't updating. Did you update? Yo, how long does this take? Motherfucker. Yo, link me some songs, you stinkers. Wait, is Nightbot banned? Did I ban Nightbot? Unban. Okay, no, never mind. The fuck?
Oh my.
At least he's not fucking saying something else. Where's the fucking thing at? Oh my god, bruh.
This is a test beat alert.
Wait, when you donated bits, the alert was different. What the fuck? Oh, that scared the shit out of me. Alright, how you all doing? Let's see, where's my webcam at? Saying what, Daniel? What the fuck are you on about? Where's my webcam at? Hey, how y'all doing? Hi. Yeah. Oi, Larry! Oh my goodness! See ya, see ya, see ya, see ya, see ya. Oh my fucking god, bruh. Can you spawn, please? Okay, well, I guess we're waiting here for a while. How y'all doing? Gotta, get a little drunk, cause that's the only way I can stream properly, cause you guys are too much of a fucking handful to deal with. You guys are so... You stink so much, man! I swear if I see 4 cattle spreading his asshole or some shit like this, I'm fucking done. Don't add him, you fucking stinker. Yo, give me your Twitch Prime. Give me your... If you don't give me your band. Okay, please give me your Twitch Prime. No. You seriously want me to listen to this entire fucking song? How many views does this shit have? It's the legit one, but it sucks. Trihex talking about the influence of the tryhard meme on stream. No, that has nothing to do with that. Why are you whispering? Why are you whispering, man? Why are you whispering, man? Fly him to the moon whispered me a link. Acolyte.drag. I'm not clicking that link, you fucking retarded fuck. I mean, nah. It's the shit video again. Great. Oh, video cannot be embedded. What did that video? What the hell? Oh, fly him to the moon whispered me again. Let's see what it says now. It's safe. So that means it's not safe. Okay, I was gonna... What the fuck? Skip. What happened? Where's the TTS? Dude, what the fuck's wrong with my bits? What happened?
Are you in Myklem? 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 Are you in Myklem?
I mean, your fucking mother. Shut the fuck up. Well, whilst I'm waiting for that, let's fucking do some stinkers. Okay, already done. I don't know what to do. Where's my music? You guys not requesting any songs. Grinder Daniel is gone. Okay, I'm gone, guys. Saying it in other language? No, you're fucking retarded as fuck.
Yeah, fuck.
No. That's a childbirth video. Oh my god, man, I saw that last time. I don't want to see that again, ever. Oh my god, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, alright, well, hold on. Give me a second. Fuck, now I remember why I ditched you guys. I'm gonna rename my fucking Twitch channel to, yeah. Okay, that's... Oh my god. Stop. Please. Oh, finally. Wait, what mission is that? Rescue him? Sucker. Any assholes, any gore, any shit porn? No? What's that? Is that a black spot? Nah, I'm sorry, it's just too risky. Okay, I requested that. I'm gonna ban you if you request that fucking video again.
Take that.
Right, Larry, no, I just banned him, never mind. He's already banned, but he's still requesting songs, so that's cool. Okay, I'm not playing that. Yeah, World of Warcraft VFA Let's Play. That's me, probably some shit porn, I don't know. What the fuck is this?
Yeah.
Nah, yeah, I fucking love him, bro. You guys gotta stop. You guys gotta fucking stop. Well, I lose my fucking mind, seriously. I can't be fucking bothered, man. Daniel is unreasonable. Oh, am I now? Account made 4 minutes ago. I got banned. I can't take any chances, dude. Everyone is fucking bad! Everyone is bad! Not one guy's legit. The Animal Song. Monkey Noises Edition. I'm not playing that then. Oh, yeah, okay. God, fuck! I need music! I gotta play the game too. This happened last time. Cause I couldn't really be I couldn't really be bothered. Man. I really can't be bothered. I'll see you guys tomorrow, dude. So that means next month, you know? You come on, bring in my chat. Yeah, see you're banned. Oh! Oh my god, the army, yeah, it wouldn't be a complete stream without the army anthem, would it? Okay. Asshole, check. Sartoon Army Anthem, check. What's left? Okay, you're done now? Are you guys done now? Fuck, dude. No, it's all on YouTube still, man. Okay, you're done. You've gone through all the shit. Fucking request something good now. It's still there. Get the fuck out of my side vision.
Bigger.
That's a girl getting... That's a girl sucking a dick with shit all over it.
Me.
Well, you guys aren't even trying anymore, like, it's just saying it in the beginning.
Eager.
So it didn't even load. I can't. Dude, it's lagging! Oi! Goddamn! Man! It's lagging! Nightbot takes like fucking like... It's random, it's loading, I don't know when it's gonna... I don't know when it's gonna play, man! It just plays randomly. But this mission kinda sucks, like... If I'm... doing... Oh, please don't be bad. My TTS is fucked. My shit's fucked. Sorry guys, I gotta play the game, okay? I can't be... okay, where's the fucking thing now? Change TTS voice? It didn't even say anything. They didn't even say anything, you fuck! Okay, you renamed the Sawtune Army Anthem to there's 2 videos now? Oh my goodness. Where's the fucking acolyte? Hello? Wait. Come on, bruh. Dude, you're so shitty. Oh my god, you guys are so trash! The fucking thing didn't even spawn. I was about to show the fucking song request. Oh my god.
And
That's your. No, how about that? That's what it is for. Alright, TTS. What's up with my fucking bits? Hold on, test bits.
This is all test bit alert.
Okay, but when that guy donate bits, it's fucking in the bottom for some reason. I don't know. Text to speech. Give me a sec. Where's my music? Any NH crackers? Fucking question mark. Dude, I haven't been on. Okay, here it is. English. There's so many English like text to speech. Justin, let's try Justin. Save settings.
This is a test bit alert.
No, that's a little kid. Okay, fine, whatever. People use that one. Okay. Saying it in fucking African, I don't know. You guys good? You couldn't even type a fucking heart correctly in the chat. Ryzen. Oh my god. I want you guys to seriously take a look at... why do I even bother? I want you guys to fall down into this abyss and never fucking come back. Because you guys are so stinky. Saying it in Morse code? No one is saying anything in Morse code. Why'd you type that? Why are you so shit? God damn. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Nah, fuck that. Send them to the moon? I got no gameplay. Dude, fuck. Only reason I was gonna stream was because of this, but it's... Why didn't the fucker spawn? Let me try it one more time. Why didn't the fucking thing spawn? Ban a Nightbot. Okay. Good fucking viewers, man. Alright, you guys think some songs? Oh my god, there's like 16 fucking requests. N is for nod.
or not. N
No, more.
is for your nose. N is for
N is any... Oh, what is that? Oh, it actually says the N-word too in it. Oh my goodness. Larry trashes him, alright? And then your song, I swear in book, if this shit is shitty, I'm gonna fucking see ya. Dwayne anime opening, and isn't there a snake on up a guy's ass in this one? I'm pretty sure there's a snake on up a guy's ass somewhere here, like on the flashes. Okay, I'm not gonna watch a Dwayne anime opening. That's a good request right there, bro. Good song. I don't know what that is. What is that? Earwax, foreign body, bugs, ants removal, best compilation. Holy fucking shit. Jesus Christ. it's not took me 3 months to make, dude, you're not gonna get anywhere on YouTube. Why are you making YouTube videos? You're gonna get fucking... Go to that Discord and spam more shit porn, will you? Just keep doing that for the rest of your life. Okay? Don't try to go, because you'll just interfere. Okay, where's the bitch? Where you at, motherfucker? Just whip him? No, no, no! Hey, why are you not dead? Gimme, gimme. Grill him? The fuck is wrong with y'all, bruh? Put barbecue sauce. Kiss him with all your might? That's disgusting! I might have to ban you, bro. Hold on, I might have to give you this ban, bro. Okay, now I need to get a little bit more drunk. Nah. 2, 3, 4. How many? How many can we love? The link expired. Why? It's on never expire. Is that just a Discord like problem, or is that like a? That's the one with 19 viewers. Yeah, I gotta start somewhere. But the thing is, no one's gonna like your shit porn videos. I mean, well, actually, there's an awful lot of people who likes the shit porn videos. It's actually kind of scary. It's actually kind of, there's so many fucking freaks. There's too many fucking freaks. There's too many of you guys in the fucking Legion. But isn't the Legion dead? Shoot him in the head with Tigris Prime. Okay, flying to the moon. Interesting.
My
I can't keep a straight face doing this. I really can't. What the fuck is this? And that is an old man eating shit. Okay. Oh my god, man! Alright, you gotta go, dude. Did I ban this guy already? Alright, yeah, you're banned. Oh my god, fucking Christ, that's an old man eating shit. And... oh, he's jerking off with the shit too, okay. It couldn't get any worse, man. Fuck. Stop, guys, please stop. Holy fucking shit, please stop. Okay, just relax, man. It's fine. You know, we good, we good. No, we're not good, man. Why do I have this fucking community? Why do I have this fucking community, huh? I don't want to do that. What? Is there anything else to do? Can I do this? Oh, Larry, anti-trooper reporting for duty. Ready to smash schools in. Alright. Oh, I'm still watching that video. Fuck. Oh my god, more birth videos. Okay. Great, lovely. That's exactly what I want to see. No. Fire remix. No. Fire in my neighborhood. Type 1 to grind a cheese grater across their big lips. Man, you guys are awful, man. You guys are fucking trash. Okay, here we go. Good song coming up here. No, that's the Dobson video. Never mind, dude. Hello? I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I can do. That's the last one. Okay, you know Kiln? Oh, some dumbass whispered me again. Unban me, bro, it's just a little scat. Yeah. See ya. Alright, next song. Oh! Fuck! Nah, there's too much gore. Shit porn. I can't be bothered, man. Why am I streaming? Why am I streaming? Oh my god. Why am I streaming, man? I can't be bothered, dude. How can I fucking take this shit seriously? It's not playing. That's a guy. How do I explain that? That's a guy. He's shoving. He's shoving two mega dildos in his ass. Yo, wait. Can guys' assholes spread further than a woman's vagina? Holy shit! I wish I could show this to you guys. Let me mute the fucking video and play. And then you put my face. Yeah, and then you put my face throughout the rest of the video, so you can have that as your thumbnail. You fuck. I have no part in this. I have no part in this. So who the fuck requested that? You're about to get this banned, bro. You're about to get this banned, bro. It's already banned. Great.
Shit. Again.
Moist Daniel rap by Larry Smashes Him 2. Yo, where's Larry Smashes Him 3? Yo, pre-ban Larry Smashes Him 3. Let's see if we can beat Fire Kirby's rap. I think Fire Kirby's ad is like 256th account or some shit. Ban him for no real reason? What kind of rap is 38 seconds long? You got hello today? No, I'm not playing that. That's a guy, an old man eating a shit again. Okay, cool. That's a guy cutting off his own dick. Alright, you know what, dude? Okay, this gotta stop. Fuck, what do I do? What do I do? How do I stop this? How do I stop this? How do I fucking stop this? I don't know what to do, bro. I don't know what to do, bro. I don't know what to do. How the fuck? How the fuck? Man, this is horrible. Like, just imagine what fucking Dwayne's mods like gotta go through, sift through the fucking Nightbot. What time is it? Okay. God. Wee! Scat on him, yeah. Ban him, fucking. Man, I don't know what to do, man! That's the guy cutting off his own dick, okay. 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 Alright, you gotta go, bro. It doesn't shock me anymore, it's just. I'm just disappointed in you guys. I'm just I'm just really... Is my Discord really expired? I gotta update that shit, so you guys can get in my fucking Discord again. And so Ben Mills is back. Is that his real fucking name? Yo, someone track his ass down and fucking report him to the fucking police. He probably has so much fucking child, you know, on his fucking computer. Get him the fuck out of here. Throw him in a fucking mental asylum where he can... Why are you guys whispering me? Unban me, bro. It's just a little scat. Yeah, I just read that. Why am I reading it again? The Legion sending them? Yeah, it's fucking... How the fuck do you do song requests and actually play a game? Okay, I thought I was showing it on my fucking stream. Dude, it's been a long time. I'm not used to streaming again. I'm out of the fucking... I'm out of the fucking... the groove, you know? Oh my god. It's just gore video after fucking gore video! Benjamin Mills 1 whispered me. Hey dude, I was just joking. Haha, can you please unban me, smiley face? Okay, I did. Go fucking download some more, go take some more gifs of heavy -R and post them in your Discord, bro. You know, you guys are the reason why I'm so fucking depressed. This shit, can you tell me the monkey kid to shut up? Ho, 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 you're about to get this ban, bruh. Grinder down and getting down to his music. That's the, oh my god. That's, dude, his asshole is probably so fucking, yeah, like why not? Like why stop? Like, you might as well just go full out. Yoy! Fucking mumsel, who the fuck, that's not even, no one even knows who that is. It's just yourself trying to start your own fucking, oh!
Nigger.
Q is empty. Fucking Christ! Okay, Q is empty. This is gonna be the only time the Q is gonna be fucking empty for once. Okay, are you guys done? Did you finish your shit? Oh no. Alright, you gotta go. I never even said that. That's just some... Well, you can hear the cut in the middle. You know? When Mumsel got banned of Twitch, but not Daniel. Fucking... Dude, you don't even know who that is! Just some random fuck trying to, you know, be like Fire Kirby. You know, trying to be like my homie, fucking Jafel Fire Kirby. Larry, you know, all the legends. You know, just trying to be like one of them, but he's fucking so irrelevant. And his name is shitty too, like... Oh god. Oh, it's auto-playing. Just inaudible fucking... What the fuck was that saying? I'm gonna ban everyone who's fucking whispering. I don't care anymore. Me and Mumsel got some history. Nah, you're nobody. And I'm a nobody, so we're all good here. Nah, that's inaudible. That's not even... They didn't even say anything bad. Johnny Rebel. I'm gonna play that. No. 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 I'm just gonna stop streaming. I'm not doing anything here. That's like the only Johnny Rebel song that doesn't say... Yeah, like I would know. I'm not even gonna bother. Stubborn husky refuses to give up seat. That is a girl shitting on a guy's dick in doggy style position. Alright, well, I really... What time is it? 21:26. Okay, where's my phone? Where's my phone? Hold on, I'm trying to get into streaming again. I'm trying to get into the mood again. Shut the fuck up, all of you. I don't give a shit. It's fucking Friday. It's fucking Friday. Why? Daniel, I heard you spread him like Forcados. Yo, where the fuck is Forcados? Why is everyone just splitting? Why is everyone retiring? Why is everyone leaving? There's like no content anymore. Where the fuck is everyone going? It makes me sad. I miss Forcados. Did you guys see those shitty fucking YouTube streams he did? God, I love Forcados, dude. Dude, I have a picture of him. So he's spreading his asshole like he's standing and he's like has his face like under so you can see him like. Oh fuck, no. Don't autoplay. Yeah, that's not gonna be any good in that. Oh my god. Oi! Don't skip my legit songs. This is legit. See ya. See ya. Yeah, well, see ya. Yeah, that's not Metallica, Nothing Else Matters. That's Casper the Ghost cosplay. Any gore, any bestiality, any... What is that? Is that legit? An actual legit song? Oh, what is this normie shit? You said it? Did I say it? No, I didn't. What the fuck? I said... What did I say? I said beastie. Any... Oh my god. Shut the fuck up! All of you! Shut the fuck up, all of you, right now. Dude, what a joke, dude. Shut the fuck up right now. Okay, this song is... I'm actually gonna ban you. Oi! I'm actually gonna ban you if you request shit like this. Oh, here we go. Here's the cycle again. That's Forcado spreading his asshole. Fuck, dude. Why did he decide to do that? How? Why? Like, when? When did he do that? It must have been a while ago, because he's been gone for like months now, hasn't he? I miss him so fucking goddamn much. Yo, don't you guys miss... Is my Nightbot saying it again? Like... No, we good, we good. His asshole is pretty fucking huge. Wait, dude, nah, you know Forcado sticks something up there, like if his asshole is like that. Yeah, dude, he definitely sticks something up his... I'm looking at his asshole right now. He definitely sticks some shit up there. Why? Dude, yo, did you guys see the picture of Dale the Grinder posting? He's like shoved something up his ass. Did you guys see that? Like, what the fuck? Why is everyone... Is everyone in the Legion fingering themselves in the ass? What are you guys doing? You just fucking... Just lost it at this point? What happened? N-word lover 27 whispered me. Why did you ban me? I love him, dude. I didn't do anything wrong. Frown face. God damn, dude. everyone's losing their fucking minds, man. Everyone in the Legion is sticking shit up their ass. What's happening? Dude, give me the link to the Discord so I can like, because they banned me from one of the fucking the Legion Discords because I kept saying I love him and all, you know, and then they actually got like triggered because I was joking around. Oh, fuck, like of course I know him, but like, you know, it's just a joke, right? And they took it so seriously and they banned me, you know. I swear to God, if I see Tryhard in my chat one more time, I'm just gonna fucking leave. I can't be bothered. I really don't like seeing tryhards in my chat. I really don't. You know? Like, I'd rather see some CX. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh no. God damn, dude. What do you guys want from me? Dude, listen, there's only so many reactions I can get. I'm gonna run now. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Dashboard, how do I skip it? How do I skip it? John, skip it! Fuck, where is it? Recent events, is that it? It's not loading. Skip alert, skip alert. Dude, my bits is fucked. I don't know why. I don't know why the bits like is fucked, but it's fucked. Stop reading my messages out loud. They're private messages for a reason. All I'm asking is for a second chance. Oops. Oopsies. That is too bad. Fuck's sake. Yeah, I missed that guy too. Yeah, everyone's leaving the Legion, man. Oh, fuck him. I think it's time. We gotta start something new, huh? But, it's just fractured, like... I don't know. Someone link me the fucking Discord, so I can get in on that bitch and infiltrate it again and get everyone banned like I did last time in the KFC Legion. You guys remember that? The first Legion was the KFC Legion. I fucking got up all in that bitch, and dude, it was so fucking good. I got some stories to tell you, but that's for another time. Listen, you guys are just too stinking, man. You gotta learn how to, you gotta learn how to love them. Dude, I'm too fucking... Anyways, how's Dwayne's streams been going? Do you guys know? He's fucking NA time and I'm fucking EU time. Every time he streams, it wakes then my fucking notification alarm goes off. It's so fucking loud and it wakes me up as I'm sleeping. Tryhard Legion hasn't been the same since Dwayne went normie. So Dwayne's a normie now, how? What kind of normie in what way? I just full screen. Oh no. You can be a normie, but Chad isn't. How is he a normie? Oh, stop the E-rape! Fuck! Oh my God, bruh! Lego world? What do you hate the most in this world? Huh. Literally everyone and everything.
Nigger.
Well, you gotta go. No, he's already banned.
I have you in checkmate. The world.
Queue is empty. Yo, good songs, guys! You guys are fucking awful like always, aren't you? Good fucking songs, guys. God, I love this shit. Horrible Gummy Bears review.
Nigger.
Right, Grinder Anders 2. I'll see ya. On to Grinder fucking 3 you go. Alright, guys. That's, yeah, I'll see y'all next month. And, yeah, I hope you guys have a nice weekend. It's, Friday now. If you live in NA, it's probably Friday too, I think. I don't know, maybe Thursday at the end, I don't know. But, yeah, I'll see you. One more. Yeah, that's the last one. That's the last one. That's the last one. That's the last one. I love him less than your stream. Okay. Well, the less you love him, the better.
He's worse?
Stick toothbrushes in. Voice, it's the starting. Fuck, it's too dodgy now. Okay, yeah, queue's empty. Alright, I'll see y'all next month. No, I mean in 10 minutes, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. You know, that's 10 months. Wait, what the fuck did I say? I'll see y'all and I don't even know. Anyways, yeah. See ya. Check my view list. And Daniel is thinking, yeah, let's pick you. Yeah, you gotta be sacrificed. Yeah, see ya. Oh, it's already banned. Alright, whatever. I'll see ya.